He said he had a surprise. He said he had a surprise for me. I didn't know it was you guys. Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a chicken. Hi, sweetie pie. Oh my goodness, are you a nibbler? Look at your eyelashes. Oh, they're so sweet. Hi. Hi. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to ignore you over there. Yes. Oh. Hi, precious. Hi. Are you just as sweet as pie? Are you just sweet as sheep? Hmm? Hi, little lambs. Hi. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you are a nibbler. Is that good stuff? Hmm? What's your favorite spot? Hmm? Behind the ears? Ooh, is it under the chin? Ooh, what do we like? Ooh. Oh my goodness, you are thick. Look at that, thick. And you're blue. Yes. Aw, did I just get a lip kiss? I think I did. Hi, baby.